welcome to IAS Origin. So today we will be talking about the massive earthquake that has hit Japan. Yes, the New Year's Eve, what a havoc in Japan, with many earthquakes severely hitting it. Around 150 earthquake in less than a day hit Japan. Many people were killed. But what are the reasons why so many earthquakes in single day? And time and again, Japan has been in news because of earthquake and the region around it always experiencing many volcanoes. So today we will be analyzing the geology of Japan in this video and what are the reasons why it has always been under destruction by these events. So we will analyze all that in this video. Before starting on to our topic, I would like to tell you that you can enroll with IAS Origin for prelims cum mains program where you'll get live classes, weekly test, one-to-one mentorship session, unlimited recorded access and a personalized strategy plan based on your needs. Yes. Why is Japan so much prone to earthquake? Because of its location. Yes, it is situated along the Pacific Ring of Fire. This Pacific Ring of Fire is an imaginary line जो कि Pacific की circumference belt को cover करती है, and this line has the world's maximum volcanoes and the most active earthquake tectonic belt. The Ring of Fire is also known as Circum-Pacific Belt and is characterized by the volcanism. Now, when we see Pacific Island, this belt, here major plates are situated and the plate movement known as plate tectonics leads to the various earthquakes and volcanoes. Now, when we talk about plate movements, there are many plates. Some major plates like Eurasian plates, North American plate, Indo-Australian plate, Pacific plate, African plates. Similarly, there are many minor plates, for example, Juan de Fuca, Cocos plate, Nazca plate. When these plate movements occur, there is an abrasion. Slide करती हैं. They cause disruption in the normal surface. As a result, these disasters occur. Now, when we talk about plate, if the question is which plate is the biggest and the largest plate, the answer is Pacific plate. And we can see the Pacific plate is the oceanic plate. And when we talk about land, continental plates में सबसे बड़ी कौन सी plate है? That is the Eurasian plate. Okay, so biggest continental plate is Eurasian plate and biggest oceanic as well as biggest plate is Pacific plate. इन plates के movement के कारण ही generate होता है. For example, you can see a structure. This is a lithospheric layer. Crust है. Below it is the asthenosphere. Asthenosphere is a part of mantle. Now, asthenosphere is liquid in state. Liquid state होता है, इसके कारण वहां पे convection currents का formation होता है. And the convection currents flow in a circular motion. Now, these convection currents, when the currents are diverging, they tend to move apart the plate over them. अगर यहाँ पे कोई crack होगा, as a result, this plate will be moved here and this plate will be moved here. Divergent होता है. As a result, when these plates break apart, energy is released from beneath the earth and earthquakes occur. Now here the convection currents play a major role in the plate movement. There can be various kind of plate movement. So that is a major cause of frequent earthquake. Plates collide, move apart or slide against each other, which lead to the formation of convergent and divergent boundaries. Now here you can see in this picture convergent and divergent boundary. Now, when the convection current are in the opposite direction, plate move apart from each other. As a result, volcano जो अंदर रहता है magma comes out, erupts and a lava is erupted. With time, this lava gets solidified and a structure is formed. These structures turn into what is known as archipelago. Now, when we talk about convergent boundary, यहाँ पे convection current same direction में आते हैं and one boundary subsides the other boundary. Same direction में currents आ रहे हैं. Two plates are coming. The denser plate will always go beneath the lighter plate. Now you need to keep in mind that always the oceanic plate, because of being heavier, subducts and the continental plane remains above. So here you can see when this subducts, there is a formation of trench. यहाँ पे trench बनती है and also a fault line is created along a convergent boundary. So this convergent boundary leads to destruction of plate, but here divergent boundary leads to formation of a structure. So divergent boundary leads to formation and this एंड अनदर इज ट्रांसफॉर्म प्लेट बाउंड्री. यहाँ पे ना ही कंस्ट्रक्शन होता है ना ही डिस्ट्रक्शन होता है. प्लेट्स जस्ट स्लाइड अपार्ट ईच अदर, एक दूसरे के आसपास से गुजरती हैं एंड नो सच फॉर्मेशन इज अकरिंग. दिस इज द रीजन this constant collision, diversion and sliding past of the tectonic plates result in the deep oceanic trenches and the earthquakes. Now when we talk about Japan specifically, we can see Japan ki formation mein there are 4 plates. Okhotsk plate, this is a part of North American plate. Okay, North American plate. Here is the Pacific plate, here is the Eurasian plate and here is a Philippine plate over here. So Japan is situated in a zone of 4 different plates. 4 different plates है, means 4 different plates अपने अपने individual movements कर रही हैं. As a result वहाँ की vulnerability ज़्यादा है. For example, Pacific plate moves in this direction. Also the Philippine plate moves in this direction and the Eurasian plate over here. इसके कारण movement के कारण constant abrasion होता है and a trench is being created. As a result earthquake होता है. Here you can see यूरेशियन प्लेट, पैसिफिक प्लेट, दे आर स्लाइडिंग अगेंस्ट ईच अदर, वेस्टवर्ड उसमें स्ट्रक करते हैं एंड द ट्रेंचेस आर क्रिएटेड, बी इट जापान ट्रेंच, बी इट क्यूरिल ट्रेंच, बी इट रियूको ट्रेंच एंड दीज आर द रीजंस व्हाई इट इज सो वल्नरेबल. अगेन एंड अगेन वहां पे मैसिव लेवल पे एनर्जी रिलीज होती है फ्रॉम द टेक्टोनिक प्लेट्स अलोंग द फॉल्ट लाइंस एंड देयर इज अ अर्थक्वेक. ऑल्सो अर्थक्वेक कभी कभी इतने ज्यादा मैसिव स्केल पे होता है दैट इट कैन ऑल्सो कॉज tsunami over there if the earthquake is beneath the water. अगर epicenter earthquake का water के नीचे होता है and it is of sufficient magnitude, then it can also cause tsunami. So these are some of the reasons why Japan is so much prone to such disasters, and as a result there is a huge loss of life and property over there. That was all about Japan's vulnerability to earthquake. Hope you liked the video. Do like and comment, and for more such videos subscribe to our channel IAS Origin.